this session, we would be discussing about how a new drug gets its approval procedure and how it comes to the market. Welcome to Clinilaunch. I'm Judith. So here I'm going to give an understanding about how the clinical trials are managed. So this session will impart a knowledge how the trials are conducted, managed by the sponsor companies to get a marketing authorization for a new drug. So this will help you to clear your interviews, and it applies to both life science and health science professionals for their career. Clinical trial. A trial which is conducted on human beings after the preclinical studies. So this is performed by sponsor companies, contract research organization, and site management organization. So after the preclinical studies, the drug has to be tested on humans to understand the pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, and safety parameters of the drug. For a new drug to come to the market, it has to undergo very stringent regulations in terms of manufacturing, quality control, in vitro studies, and in vivo studies. A drug is said to be new when it is not received any approval for its specific indication. So this approval is given by the applicable regulatory authority after reviewing the application, which is submitted by the sponsor companies. First step in drug discovery and development is choosing a disease and identifying the target responsible for the disease. Once it is identified, it has to be validated. Then the lead compound, which is called as a pharmacophore, that is, the term phrase pharmacophore means a chemical agent which is potential to treat a disease. So this lead compound is identified and validated for its physical property, chemical property, in vitro studies, in vivo studies, and biopharmaceutical parameters. This process involves usage of analytical techniques like LCMS, GCMS, etc. To understand how the lead compound attaches to the target, we need to do in vivo studies. So first, we do it in animals to understand the PK, PD, and toxicological parameters of the drug. Then the lead compound is given to human beings, where we call it as human trials, to understand its safety and pharmacological effect of the drug. In our next video, we'll be studying about what all the regulations involved in clinical trial process, evolution of clinical research, and essential documents that is required for conducting the clinical trial process. Thank you.